Welcome back to Stark Market Scout. Today we're going to be sharing a powerful Python script that will help you analyze multiple stocks in depth. Whether you're a trader or a long-term investor, understanding this data is crucial. What we're going to be looking at is significant price movements, what usually is the stable price of the ticker, and what is the mean trading volume of the stock. Again, we're going to be able to look at multiple tickers at one time, and then this is also going to generate a pricing graph that we can see a comparison of the two ticker symbols essentially. So what we're going to do is we're going to run this, and I will show you the output. So here we're going to be prompted. I'm going to use Nokia and CLNE. So we are going to see a graph show up of the normalized stock prices on a log scale. And then below, we are going to see the individual stock price information. Columns are going to be open, high, low, close, adjusted close, volume, and normalized closed with our individual characteristics. So, what's the 75 percentiles, 50 percentile, 25 percentile, max and min, and then the standard deviation between them. Again, we're going to be looking at this is more you can change your dates if you'd like. So if you want to compare it on a larger time frame, you can certainly do that. I just ran a test year. This is just 2023 through the end of the year 2023 for a full year comparison. You can run it up until current date, present, or you can go all the way back until, I don't know, 2015 if the stock price has data for it. Again, this is a great tool and a great script to utilize for just some quick information if you're just doing some analysis and you just want to get a high level view. Use it. Let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe. Thank you all so much. And until next time, have a good one.